Hi viewers, Vanakkam, Vandanam, Namaskaram. You are watching Aha Namma channel. It's full and full education and entertainment. Watch the video carefully and learn it everything.
Hi students, good morning. In the previous class we learnt about how to find out the unit digit of a square number and also how to find out the perfect square, and the squaring number is a odd number or not. So now we move on to question number 6. 4 and 5 we will see later. So using the given pattern, find the missing numbers. So first we need to observe what are the pattern is there. So 1 square plus 2 square plus 2. So here these two numbers are same, and here it should be 3. Already the condition it should be given third number is related with the first two number, and then this answer is related with this third number. So this is the clue. So again I have to observe 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square, which is equal to 7 square. So this 6 is related to this 2 number. How it is? 2 into 3, it can be 6. And what is the next number of this 6? That is 7. So it can be a square plus b square is there. A into b plus a into b the whole square, which is equal to a into b plus 1 the whole square. Okay, just you have to think it. If I take 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 into 2 whole square plus 1 into 2 plus 1 the whole square. Okay, so I just take 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 into 2, that is 2 square, which is equal to 1 2 are 2, 2 plus 1 3, that is 3 square. Okay, in the same pattern we have to follow. So 4 square plus 5 square, 4 5s are 20, and after 20 we get 21. So 5 square and 30 square is there. So which number you have to multiple here? You get 30. So 30 is there and divided by 5. 1 5s are 5, 6 5s are 30. You need to multiple with 6. So what is the answer here? So 5 square is there. 5 can be multiple with 6. So it should be 6 square. So now you see 5 into 6, 30, and after 30 it is 31. So here the first two number you need to product. So now you see 6 square is there, 7 square is there. 6 7s are 42. 42 square. And what's the value of this sum? What is the another number of 42? That is 43 square. So this is the pattern to follow to find out the sixth question. Next we move on to the question number 7. Without adding, find the sum. Without adding, find the sum. So normally you know that 1 plus 3 plus means just you have to add 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So 9 plus 7, it should be 16. 16 plus 5, 21. 21 plus 3, that is 24. 24 plus 1, 25. So this is normal addition. Without using this normal addition, we have to follow the condition. Already I told sum of odd numbers to find out the square number and also the square root. Subtraction it should be square root and addition it should be a square number. Already I just informed, and you have to calculate the square numbers by using this odd numbers. Now you have to see 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, which is equal to, how this sum of odd numbers can be written? How many number is there? 1 2 3 4 5. It should be a 5 square. And what is the value? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, which is equal to, what is the value of 5 square? It should be 25. So 5 square is 25. Now you see, already we have to add it as it is same. You got 25 by using without addition method, using squaring method, you got the value. And next question, third question is there. In a solution, you need to write this all. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21 plus 23. So now you need to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So totally 12 numbers is there. That should be a 12 square. Okay, now what is the answer for this? 1 plus 3 plus 5 7 9 11 13 15 17 19 21 23. If you square the value of 12, you got 144. Just you need to check it, whether the answer is correct or not. So here we find out 144 by adding. I just take a single digit in one way and a double digit in another way. Just 1 plus 3, it is 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 9, it should be 25. Okay, finally here 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 7, 16 plus 9, 25, 26, 29. 9 remaining 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 119. You need to add this 2. 9 plus 5, 14. 4, carry over 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. And 1. Now you see, you got 144. So this is normal addition. Instead of we using this normal addition, we have to taking the squaring number. How many number is there? You count it and you need to square that counting number. You got the value of this sum without, as usual, addition. Next we move on to question number 8. So question number 8 is nothing but express 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. So here they have to given, this is a square number, we need to take this one, we need to split as a sum of odd number. How many? 11. So how it can be written as in a solution? 121, which is equal to 11 square. 11 square. So this 11 indicates 11 odd numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then 21. So now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So these are the 11 odd numbers to express 121. So just you need to add it. 1 plus 9 10 plus 7 17 plus 5 22 25 26 35 42 47 50 51. 1 remaining 5. So 5 plus 1 6 7 8 9 10 and plus 2 12. So totally 121. So these are the odd numbers we have to express. Okay, next we move on to question number 9. So how many numbers lies between a square of following numbers? So in this condition we have to move on with the formula based. How we have to written means 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Just you see, it should be 1 square only, and it should be 1 plus 1 the whole square. It should be 1 plus 2 the whole square and 1 plus 3 the whole square. I take this 1 as constant. Instead of this 1, you take n. So n plus 1 whole square, n plus 2 the whole square, n plus 3 the whole square. So this is the condition. Okay, but we need to find out how many squaring numbers in between. For example, 1 square is there, 2 square is there. How many numbers are there? So what is that means? It should be n square and it should be n plus 1 the whole square. You need to subtract this 2. So that should be n plus 1 the whole square minus n square, which is equal to 2n plus 1 and also minus 1. Why I have to subtract this means you no need to take this. For example, 1 comma 4, that should be 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So you see, you no need to take this 1 square, that you no need to take this 1, you no need to take this 4. What is remaining? 2, 3 is there, remaining 2 only. So after, because of this, you have to subtract 1. So likewise, 2n plus 1, you need to subtract 1. So you got 2n. So this is the formula. This is the formula. We need to find out how many numbers in between the square numbers. So here we need to write the solution directly. Since difference of n square and n plus 1 whole square are 2n. Okay, here n, which is equal to the first number, that is 12. So 2n, which is equal to 2 into 12, which is equal to 24. Therefore 24 numbers. So just you need to count out, it should be 144 and you need to take the 169. So you listen, 169 minus 144, it takes 25. But here you see, you take 169 here. Okay, so you no need to take this one. You have to subtract, means 144, it should be cancelled. But you take 169, you know, so 25. 25 minus 1, you get 24. Okay, in same way, I have to do this 99 and 100. So directly we move on to the solution. Since difference between n square and n plus 1 the whole square are 2n. So same way here n, which is equal to 99, comma 2n, which is equal to 2 into 99. So 9 2s are 18, 8 remaining 1, 198. So totally 198 square numbers are there in between 99 square and 100 square. Therefore 198 non-perfect square. non-perfect square between 99 square and 100 square. Okay, I think so children you can understand what are the things. So I have to attach the notes for this instead of worksheet. You have to complete that notes on the day itself, no need to put pending. So after finishing it, after my guidance, you need to send the notes to verification. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you for watching ஆஹா நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு பக்கத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை ட்ரைன்